luxurious lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how LeBron James spent his millions. Okay, so keep watching this beautiful video. So let's take off. Friends, if you like play basketball, then hit the like button. If I talk about LeBron James, he is an NBA or basketball star. He is the fifth highest paid athlete earner, and he earns 85.5 million US dollar from salary and endorsements. Reportedly, he spends US dollar 1.5 million a year to stay fit. Wanting his Cleveland Cavalier team to look good for their game against the Indiana Pacers, he bought 5,000 Thom Browne suits for them. All LeBron James has earned it all. The 36-year-old basketball legend has won championships, MVPs, and gold medals. He has been the face of the NBA for almost a decade and establishing himself as one of the greatest basketball players in the world. According to Forbes, James is the highest paid NBA player, so he is also near the top of 2021 list of highest paid athlete at number 5, earning 85.5 million US dollar from his salary and endorsements. In 2018, Forbes estimated his net worth at 450 million US dollar. This year, Celebrity Net Worth estimates that James is now worth 500 million US dollar. Wow, that's crazy. And if I move on his body, he takes care of his strongly body. James' performance on the court is attributed to his physique. He knows that his body is his most valuable asset, and according to Business Insider, he spends 1.5 million US dollar a year to maintain it, covering cost from his home gym, trainers, massages, therapist, and nutritionist. James also undergoes treatments to prepare and recover from James. According to Business Insider, he was one of the first players to investing in a cryo chamber, which uses liquid nitrogen as more efficient version of an ice bath. And if I talk about his mansion, he bought a 36.75 million US dollar mansion. In 2020, James bought a Mediterranean style compound in Beverly Hills for 36.75 million US dollar. The property has history. It was built in 1930 and belonged to the estate of Lee Philip Bell, a talk show host and soap opera creator. It was previously owned by actor Charles Boyer and Howard Hughes. He leased the mansion to his lover Catherine Hepburn. The mansion features is 4 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 2 guest houses, as well as a tennis court and a cinema. It sits on 1 hectare 2.5 acres and offers a view of the city. And if I talk about his investments, he invests wisely. James has been a part of owner of Liverpool FC and English Premier League Football Club since 2011, and he bought a 2% stake at 6.5 million US dollar, which now worth 37 million euro, roughly 52 million US dollar. According to a recent evaluation of the club by accountancy firm KPMG, as per BBC, he bought Thom Browne suits for his teammates. James may be careful with what he spends on himself, but in 2018 he wanted his team at that time, the Cleveland Cavaliers, to make a fashionable entrance for their game 3 match against the Indiana Pacers. So he bought his teammates matching Thom Browne suits, and they were no ordinary suits. According to the Hollywood Reporter, they were custom made to measure Super 120 twill suits with white Oxford shirts, 4-bar cashmere cardigans, leather brogue and boats, and Mr. Thornback's Sports Illustrated estimates that each suit cost a little less than 5,000 US dollar. And if I talk about his life, so LeBron Raymond James Sir was born in 30 December on 1984. LeBron James is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association, and he is denoted as a King James. He is widely considered one of the greatest players in NBA history and is frequently compared to Michael Jordan in debates over the greatest basketball player ever. The only player to have won NBA championships with three franchises, the Cleveland Cavaliers, the Miami Heat, and the Lakers. James has competed in 10 NBA Finals, 8 of them consecutively with the Heat and Cavaliers from 2011 to 2018. His accomplishments include four NBA championships for NBA MVP awards, four NBA Finals MVP awards, and two Olympic gold medals during his 18-year career. James holds the record for all-time playoffs points, in third in all-time points, and eighth in career assists. James has been selected to All-NBA team a record 17 times, with a record of 13 first-team selection and 11 consecutive first-team selections, the latter of which is shared with Jordan and Karl Malone, made the NBA All-Defensive First Team 5 times, and has been named an All-Star 17 times, including 3 All-Star MVP selections. In 2021, he was selected to the NBA 75th anniversary team. James played basketball for St. Vincent St. Mary High School in his hometown of Akron, Ohio, where he was heavily touted by the national media as a future NBA superstar. A prep to pro, he was selected by Cleveland with the first overall pick of the 2003 NBA draft, named the 2003 to 4 Rookie of the Year. He soon established himself as one of the league's premier players, winning the NBA MVP award in 2009 and 2010. After failing to win a championship with the Cleveland, James left in 2010 to sign as a free agent with Miami. This move was announced in an ESPN special untitled The Decision and is one of the most controversial free agent decisions in sports history. James won his first two NBA championships while playing for the Heat in 2012 and 2013. In both of these years, he also earned league MVP and finals MVP. After his fourth season with the Heat in 2014, James opted out of his contract to re-sign with the Cavaliers in 2016. He led the Cavaliers to victory over the Golden State Warriors in the NBA Finals by coming back from a 3-1 deficit, delivering the franchise's first championship and ending Cleveland's 52-year professional sports title drought in 2018. James exercised his contract option to leave the Cavaliers and sign with the Lakers, where he won the 2020 championship and was awarded his fourth final MVP. Of the court, James has accumulated more wealth and fame from numerous endorsements contacts. He has been featured in books, documentaries, including winning two Sports Emmy Awards as an executive producer, and television commercials. He has hosted the ESPY Awards and Saturday Night Live and won 19 ESPY Awards himself. He also appeared in films such as Trainwreck and Space Jam: A New Legacy. James has been a part owner of Liverpool FC since 2011, with the club winning UEFA Championship League and 2019 to 20 Premier League, having become more involved in philanthropic and activist pursuits later in his career. James' charitable organization, the LeBron James Family Foundation, helped open an elementary school, housing complex, and community center plaza in his hometown of Akron.